deforestation, and loss of biodiversity. This day serves as a reminder that we all have a role to play in protecting and preserving our environment. Each one of us can make a difference through small yet significant changes in our daily lives. Whether it is reducing our carbon footprints, conserving water, promoting recycling, or planting trees, every action counts. Let's take this opportunity to reflect on our relationship with the nature and realize that we all are interconnected. Our choices today will shape the world we pass on to future generations. Let's embrace sustainable practices about renewable energy and advocate for responsible policy. Remember, it's not enough to celebrate World Environment Day with just one. Let us carry the spirit of this day to our daily life, making conscious choices that respect and protect our environment. We must learn to use all our sources in a well manner that won't harm our environment. Otherwise, we all are going to get affected very badly. Try to use everything in an eco-friendly manner. Just be there one thing in your mind. That is the future of our